Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 31 Days of Scrapbooking in December, where I'm making a layout every day and they are all Christmas themed. And this is day 31. If you haven't seen the rest of the layouts, go all the way back to December 1st on my playlist and start from there if you want to. And I'm creating a layout, either a single or a double page layout, every single day throughout the month of December. And I've used a sketch with each one and pre-made page kits, sort of. I had pulled the paper together to create the layouts, and yeah, I give you the details as I go along. There are a couple of giveaways over there, and my last giveaway ends today, and I will have a second video posted later in the day with the winner from that giveaway. Anywho, so today's sketch is one from Scrapbook Generation, and it is a purchase sketch, so I won't show you the full details of it. There's just the simple version of it there. Along with this little page kit comes 2 pieces of white cardstock. They feel and look like Basil, but there's no identifiers on here. And then a couple of pieces of Echo Park. These are from a Perfect Christmas line by Lori Whitlock. There's the back sides and then the front sides. And then there's the sketch of what it should look like when it's all done. And I have added in a few little embellishment pieces that I have previously stamped and fussy cut. I've added in some Christmas trees that I had die cut out, and a whole boatload of photos. 1, 2, 3, that felt like more, no, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the layout itself calls for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make it work. We'll figure it out as we go along. Anyway, I'll show you, won't show you a close-up of this one because it is a paid content. I didn't pull this one from the internet, from Pinterest. So what I'll do is I will show you a close-up of this photo of the completed layout. What they came up with is what you should have from the pages. And then I will show you what I create. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay friends, I am done with my final layout. I have some things left over. Some of these pieces that I had previously die cut or fussy cut out, and the Santa image that I had previously stamped. Some of the cut aparts. I have 4 solid ones, and then bits and pieces of 4 that I'm going to cut down a little bit to go into my stash. That sleigh that I had cut out and didn't use. I have a little bit of scrap of paper. Those are my branding strips. They'll go into the trash and then or into the recycling. And those are the pattern papers that I have left over. And then my layout. Here's my sketch. I'm not going to show it because it's paid content. But this is the layout that they provide to make with the stuff that comes with. So let me move that over and I will show you what I created. And you will see, you know, with adding in some of my own stuff to the purchase page kit, I think it makes it feel more like my own, plus it incorporates the stuff that I already have. So you can see I added 6 photos instead of the 5. They had a 4x6 photo here, and I just stacked 2 4x4 photos on this side. But otherwise I kept the photos over here 4x4 and 6x4 just like they had in the sketch. I did this like they had in the sketch. I added an additional card here. Fussy cut the Santa, fussy cut the lamp instead of the ornaments. Yeah, and then just added my own stuff here, here, and here. Cut down that season's greetings there from a pocket page card. Yeah, and I feel like I really like this. I like how I was able to incorporate my own stuff. That to me is the best part. And another layout is done. Now you see a lot of the same photos. All of these photos have been scrapbooked before, and they will be scrapbooked. I think this is the end of maybe 2015. So I don't have anything further to scrap. Sorry, I have a helper who's helping me. Anywho, So these are the last of those photos from that year, and this will go into an album that has probably multiple layouts from Christmas. Not necessarily these exact ones, because I split them up between 3 different albums, my own album and each of my children's, my son's albums. So even though they're a mix of photos, they'll go in different albums. So I'm good with that. So happy with the paid content that I got from Scrapbook Generation. It was a $10 kit. Was it worth $10? Well, if you add in the cost of the sketch, the product involved, I don't think the product itself was worth $10. And I think it was one of those Friday freebies or first of the month freebies. You order so much in product and you get a free page kit. And I think that's what this one ended up being. And so, yeah, I don't think I necessarily would have paid full price for it, but I'm happy that I got it. I'm happy that I was able to make use out of it, and it's been in my stash for a little while, so I'm glad to finally have used it rather than bypassing it again and again. And I love that I was able to incorporate other stash on it as well. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. If you stay tuned through tomorrow, I will have kind of a close-up and show you what all I have left from the stash that I created. This has been a really large project, taking up the entire month of December, and I've had it spread all over my room, quite literally on the table, on the floor, on a rolling cart, under the desk, all the way across the desk. I've had this Christmas project everywhere. And so now that the month is done, I'm on to bigger and better things. I'm gonna, not bigger and better, different. So I will have a closeout video showing you what I have left that will, before I put it all back away, and pull out something different that I want to scrapbook with. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.